Mmm. 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 Oh, God.
Let's try Dave's hot chicken.
Got the brand new Dave's Mozz. Mozz bites, mozzarella sticks. They're trying to be like Chili's, man. We also got their new Powerade Berry Blast slushie. That's amazing. Let me get that out of the way. But I love Chili's mozzarella sticks from the Triple Dipper. So let's give these a shot. Open up this Reaper Ranch. Let's try one without first. Better be a good cheese pull. Mmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. 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 God damn. God damn. Oh, God. Oh, God. What the fuck? That's a nice cheese pull. I got the medium ones. They taste pretty good. Let's wrap this cheese up and dunk it in this Reaper Ranch. See what that hitting like. Mmm. Dave's, y'all wanted some here. Mmm. Dip that little dippy. Mm-hmm. Damn, no napkins. So a cheese pool, 11 out of 10. Best cheese pool I ever seen. Taste wise, 6 out of 8 out of 7.2 out of 10. I think Chili's is way better though. I think for me, I don't really like hot chicken like that, just cause it's like too dry. Like I like the one from, it feels like it's too dry and oily. I like the one from Chili's because it seems a little bit wetter. I don't know, more moist. But this is kind of dry. But Powerade, I could tell that would hit the spot on a nice hot Texas day. Man, go try y'all some of these for yourself.